Welcome back to Carolina Rock Cuddles. Today we are taking the 6x6 out, but it's kind of funny really. We are going to take the 6x6 and haul the 6x6 to a hole that's probably 6x6 wide. So if you've been here for a while, you know that our Honda 6x6, the last time we took it out, that the front shaft is hitting the frame. We still haven't had time to fix it. So I want to go to this hole. This is the last test. If it works here, we're going to go ahead and build the bed and everything. But because it's about 4 miles that way, and it only goes about second gear, so what, 3-4 mile an hour, maybe 5 tops, that takes forever, and if it breaks. So why not just load the 6x6 up on the 6x6, because we just got it done. It needs to be driven a little bit. Let me go ahead, load the 6x6 up, and let's get to the mud hole. Okay, we got the machete, we got the saw, let's go. We also got our bag because we're putting stuff in the bag this time. So hopefully this will stay here until we get in there. I tried to put the saw inside the bag, and let's just say it was gonna cut through the bag or cut through my back. Whichever one came first. Goodbye, other 6x6. Oh no, guys, I totally forgot to put my waders on. I'm over here in my brand new boots. Oh no, we are not. We're gonna put waders on. Oh, there's an actual tree there. Okay, let me throw my waders on.
Eventually.
Okay, we got the waders on again. I mean, not the waders, we're ready again. We got the waders on now. I just didn't want to mess up my brand new boots because my boots don't last that long anyways. I might get a year out of them, and I just bought those, so let's try not to mess them up the first week we have them. Sadly, we had to leave the machete this time because my belt loop is underneath my waders and I just didn't have enough hands. A saw here should do everything we want to do though. I've got a tree fell here. Holy crap! Oh, dang that hot! For everybody wondering, we still haven't bought the parts for the Can-Am. I've been working on everybody else's four-wheelers at all my customers, because I really need some money to build a shed, which I've said a million times, but in case anybody was wondering why you ain't seen a Can-Am lately. But hopefully either this week or next week I'll order the parts. I got a Suzuki 250 I gotta fix for us, and once I get that fixed, I'm gonna sell it and we'll be able to go ahead and get all the stuff in. Okay, so this tree has been here for over a year and a half, probably 2 years now, maybe more. It's been here for a long time, and the day's the day it goes. We tried other ways, but today we're cutting this thing out of the way. If anybody watched my video last week where I did a sponsor video with this saw, yeah, I'm still using it. I didn't just do a sponsor video and then put it away like a lot of people. I'm still using this thing. And voila! Finally, after what? A couple years, we finally got a, oh no, I probably should tighten that blade up a little bit. I don't think I tightened it up quite enough last time after I got done. Hey frog. Bad thing about seeing frogs is that means there are plenty of snakes in here. Voila, we can now send the Can-Am through here, people. Well, we gotta cut that tree down, but we're not doing that today. So I won't lie, I am super nervous right now because this is about the thickest we're gonna get down here. Not only that, if we break, we have a long walk, about half a mile, probably close to a mile that way. Whew. Let's see if she makes it. This is the test. Will she make it or will she fall apart and we have to get a new gearbox? Holy crap, she is doing so good. There's a turtle just right in the way. Go, turtle, go. Oh, we're in the thick of mud. Come on, baby. Don't break on me. I don't know if you can see the thick mud just coming off there. Oh, stop. I think once I get that front end fixed like I want, we'll be going then. Right now, you just feel like ticking and I hate it. Oh, on a stump. Come on. Come on, baby. That's that stump that Viking got stuck on last week. Well, I guess it's been a couple weeks now. I don't know when these videos come out. Ladies and gentlemen, she did it. She made it through it the first time, but we got to do it more than once because I want to test her. Once we break that mud loose, she will go a little better, and I'm still trying to be careful because that front end is still hitting. That's why we trailered it here. But y'all can't lie, it did really good there. So instead of keep talking, let's go through there again, and then we have the hole over here that I want to go through. Yeah, it's even thicker and deeper, which the water's a little low today, which is good if I needed to clean some paths out, but I don't got no paths to clean out today. So let's jump back on here. Let's see what we got. But hey, I think she did pretty good. There we go. Now we'll break it free a little bit. Get a little power. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's look at the mud and gunk coming off there. Come on, baby. Spin, spin, spin. Bad, bad. And wow, again. And there's that turtle. Look at the water rushing back. No. Oh. Well, what was that? Bye, turtle. I tried, but I'd have to Malone this time. Y'all can't lie, this thing is doing great today. I'm probably jinxing myself now, she's gonna break, but hey, so far so good. That front end really has fixed a lot of problems. Even if it breaks right now, it has done better than it did last time. Oh dang, I keep thinking I'm in second gear. I wish I could get some more power out of this thing. I really wish I did. I got 75% gear reduction. I might go ahead and throw some new clutches and see if that fixes it. Maybe I've just slowly bought the clutches out. Yeah, now we're getting somewhere. Now that we dug out that stuff, we're moving now. Come on. Right there, every time. Slowly. Oh, no, that stump. Come on, climb over it, baby. Climb over it. Come on. Getting deeper again. Oh my gosh. That walked me to death that time. Couple spots in there that are getting just a little juicy. We may or may not have dug them out pretty good. Let's go into that deep hole over there and see what we got. I haven't been in there since the Rancho, and I really just floated the Rancho through there. Oh, baby, come on. This hole is super thick. I mean, it was super thick, but who knows what it's like. I mean, it could have mellowed out the first time, but we're only going through it once. I'm not testing my luck more than once. Whoa. Oh, no, it's not that bad today. Yeah, that wasn't that bad. It was way worse last time. My 6 is doing really good today, so I'm having too much fun. Come on, baby. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Gotta get through this little section here. There's just a lot of stumps here. But as long as you keep her low and going, she'll keep moving. Good thing about the 6x6, those extra wheels really help. There we go. I say, dang, we're stuck. I was just bragging on you, baby. Come on. That stump is just terrible. The tiles just can't spin on those wet. It's really a root, not a stump. The water's going the wrong way. Now, high signal. But that diff lock, guys, because we have all 6 wheels spinning, we can get right out. In case anybody's wondering, how do I like the Polaris front end? I'm saying it's just doing way better than the old Honda rear end front end did. Baby, you're doing amazing. I'm gonna go set the GoPro up down there so we can get an outside view, and I think that'll be what we do. We're not going all the way to that other end though. As y'all can see, it didn't go so well. It's getting a little sticky. Well, not really sticky, that piece of root. She's just getting worse and worse. Oh no, fishies, fishies. Where'd they go? They're in here. Go, fishies. Oh, look at the size of that boy. That's a big old tadpole. Come on, guys. Let me kick y'all back in. I don't want y'all dying over here. Gotta save the environment, people. Holy moly, look at the water rushing. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this bad boy did amazing. I mean, she never missed a beat. I think it's time to do the flatbed, people. A lot of people have been like, man, when are you gonna do something on that back? It looks ugly. And man, I agree with y'all. It does look goofy. But yep, she held up, so now it's time to do the rear end. Alpha today are terrible. I mean, and it wasn't supposed to be that warm today. I don't know why they're so terrible. But hey, they didn't bother me too much. I mean, I've had it worse. I've had it in here where when I left, I swear I lost 2 pints of blood. Today, I only lost 1/4 of a pint. I don't know what, oh, I see. If I said, why did we go around last time? Because of the tree down. Dang it. Now I gotta back up. Sometimes, Matthew, it's good to use context clues. You went around last time, there's a reason you went around it. Hello. This tree is right above me. There's probably snakes and everything on it. And I'm over here just under it, waiting for them to fall. Nothing funnier than flying snakes at you. Be sitting here all of a sudden, it's like, ah, snakes flying through the air. And we made it back to the we made it to the other 6x6. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this thing did amazing. I think it's time to, let's go back. I'll catch y'all in a second. I got it loaded up. I'll catch y'all when we get back to the station. So let's see how fast we can go top speed. Man, everybody's staring. I guess when a 6x6 is pulling a 6x6, people tend to stare, baby. We're spinning tires, come on! Stop spinning! I'm gonna put this in front of the outro, so this is gonna be after the outro, but I was unloading this and noticed I got a little hitchhiker. Hey, little buddy. Oh, you poor little guy, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to put you through that. I mean, he drove all the way. I mean, we're about 5 miles that way. He just rode uphill. Buddy, you're at the wrong place. I am going to call him Frank. Frank the Frog. Well, let's throw Frank in the ditch. So about 28 miles an hour is about all she wanted to do with the trailer behind her, but I don't think she's much faster. I think that is just it. I'm assuming my camera was still recording. I don't know. The battery has been out for a long time. There's no telling if it died or not. But the Ranger 6x6 did good. She's ready to sell. I'm selling it right now, and I ain't had nobody interested in it. I thought $4,000 was a good deal for a brand new transmission and brand new top end. And the 6x6, let's be honest, she did amazing. She can't do any better unless we have more power. But I think we've about topped out. We might be able to, I think we're gonna go ahead and do some clutches and see if maybe put some more clutches will help, because maybe my clutches are just burned out. But other than that, guys, I hope you liked this video where we pulled the 6x6 with the 6x6, went through a 6x6 size hole, and then, yeah, you guys know how it is. Anyways, guys, I will see y'all on the next one with who knows what we'll get into. See y'all.